I'm over here and I'm fucking looking at these fucking things on the wall here. Oh my god, he's fucking huge. Anyways, look at these fucking spots they're digging out, dude. He is fucking massive. He's like as big as my fucking thumb. Holy fuck. Yeah, they got that spot there dug out. I was down here at the dumpster earlier. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? There's a bunch of them over here. Holy fuck. Mainly black with like yellow dots and a red face. He looks fucking mean though. Oh, I'm fucking scared of him. Oh, I'm fucking leaving.